When we're simplifying fractions, we're still looking at the same equivalent fraction just with smaller digits. So just like we've done in our fraction chapters, we see a smaller number for the numerator on top showing our part, and then we see our larger number on the bottom showing the whole as the denominator. So the first step to this is looking at the common factor that they share. To do that, you can always just easily write out a factor list for both numbers, for the numerator and denominator. So my factor list for 6 will be 1, 2, 3, 6. Our factor list for 20 will be 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. So from here, we're going to look at the biggest factor that they share, and that will be the number that we divide by. They both don't share 10 or 20 or 6 or any of those bigger numbers, but we do see that they share a common factor of 2. So that will be the number that we divide both the numerator and denominator by. Remember our number one fraction rule from this year, what we do to the bottom, we have to do the top. So remember that we divide both the numerator and denominator by that common factor. So when we do our division, we end up with 3/10 as our simplified fraction. We know it can't be simplified any further than that because 3 we know is a prime number. It only has 1 in itself, and you can't divide by 1 again, otherwise you're going to get the same fraction. So we know that's as simplified as we can get it. Let's do one more example with some bigger numbers. Let's say we have 30 over 36. Again, same first step of listing out our factors first. So for 30 we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. So then we're going to do the same thing for 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9. You can tell, if you still want to do your mirror like we do in class, you can keep doing your mirror too. That's okay. And from here, 12, 18, 36. So now from here we can see, like before, oh, we do have a 2 in both, but oh, we also have a 3. We'll see that we have multiple factors that they share. So what we're going to do now, like we said before, is we want to look for the greatest common factor that they share. So we're going to just start at the bigger ends, 30, 36, 18, 15, 12, 10, 9, 6. 6 is the biggest factor that they have in common, so that's the number we are going to divide by. So 30 divided by 6 gives us 5, and 36 divided by 6 gives us 6. So the simplified fraction of 30 over 36 is 5 over 6.